Welcome to Basic Science for JSS 3. Today we study environmental science with a focus on climate change, one of the most important global challenges of our time. What is climate change? Climate is the long-term pattern of weather in a region, temperature, rainfall, wind, etc., over 30+ years. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. While some climate change is natural, scientists agree that the current rapid climate change is primarily caused by human activities. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. Greenhouse gases, GHGs, in the atmosphere trap some of the sun's heat, keeping Earth warm enough for life. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth would be frozen. Major greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, CO2, from burning fossil fuels, deforestation. Methane, CH4, from livestock, rice paddies, landfills. Nitrous oxide, N2O, from fertilizers, burning fuel. Water vapor, H2O, the most abundant greenhouse gas. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, from refrigerators, aerosol sprays. How climate change happens. Human activities have dramatically increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, especially CO2, from burning coal, oil, natural gas, and deforestation. This enhances the greenhouse effect, trapping more heat, rising global temperatures, global warming. Since the Industrial Revolution, about 1850, average global temperatures have risen by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius. Causes of climate change. Burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas, for energy and transport, releases CO2. Deforestation, cutting down forests, trees absorb CO2, fewer trees equals more CO2 in atmosphere. Industrial processes, release CO2 and other GHGs. Agriculture, livestock produce methane, paddy rice fields produce methane. Waste decomposition in landfills, produces methane. Effects of climate change. Rising temperatures, more frequent and intense heat waves. Melting ice caps and glaciers, leading to rising sea levels. Rising SEA levels, flooding of coastal areas and islands. More frequent and severe extreme weather events, storms, floods, droughts. Desertification, expansion of deserts in some regions. Loss of biodiversity, extinction of species that cannot adapt. Food and water insecurity, disruption to agriculture. Health impacts, spread of tropical diseases to new areas. Economic impacts, damage to infrastructure, reduced agricultural yields. Coral reef bleaching, rising sea temperatures kill coral reefs. Climate change in Nigeria/Africa. Decreasing rainfall in the Sahel region. Expansion of the Sahara Desert southward. More frequent floods in coastal and delta regions. Lake Chad has shrunk dramatically. Impact on agriculture and food security. Solutions to climate change. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy, solar, wind, hydro, geothermal. Energy efficiency, use less energy. Afforestation and reforestation, planting trees to absorb CO2. Reduce deforestation. Adaptation, building seawalls. Developing drought-resistant crops. Improving early warning systems for extreme weather. International agreements, Paris Agreement 2015, countries agreed to limit warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Remember, climate equals long-term pattern of weather in a region over 30+ years. Climate change equals long-term shifts in temperatures plus weather patterns, current rapid change primarily caused by human activities. Greenhouse effect, natural process that warms Earth's surface. Greenhouse gases, GHGs, in atmosphere trap some of sun's heat, Earth warm enough for life, without it Earth would be frozen. Major GHGs, CO2, burning fossil fuels plus deforestation. Plus methane CH4, livestock plus rice paddies plus landfills. Plus nitrous oxide N2O, fertilizers plus burning fuel. Plus water vapor, most abundant GHG. Plus CFCs, refrigerators plus aerosol sprays. How climate change happens. Human activities increased concentration of GHGs, especially CO2 equals burning coal plus oil plus natural gas plus deforestation, enhances greenhouse effect traps more heat rising global temperatures, global warming, since Industrial Revolution, 1850, equals global temperatures risen by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius. Effects, rising temperatures, more frequent plus intense heat waves. Plus melting ice caps plus glaciers, rising sea levels. Plus rising SEA levels, flooding of coastal areas plus islands. Plus extreme weather events, storms plus floods plus droughts. Plus desertification, expansion of deserts. Plus loss of biodiversity, extinction of species. Plus food plus water insecurity plus health impacts, spread of tropical diseases to new areas. Plus coral reef bleaching. Nigeria/Africa, decreasing rainfall in Sahel plus expansion of Sahara Desert southward plus more frequent floods in coastal plus delta regions plus Lake Chad shrunk dramatically. Solutions, reduce GHG emissions, transition to renewable energy equals solar plus wind plus hydro plus geothermal plus energy efficiency. Plus afforestation plus reforestation, planting trees to absorb CO2 plus reduce deforestation. Plus adaptation in seawalls plus drought-resistant crops plus early warning systems, plus Paris Agreement 2015, countries agreed to limit warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Thank you for studying basic science with us today.